Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook with Ctrl+O and hitting Enter. Make sure Excel is the active window. Once open, use the arrow keys to place the active cell where you need to begin. Use Ctrl+Arrow to jump to the edge of data blocks. This saves dozens of keystrokes. Begin typing to overwrite, or press F2 to edit in place. Press ESC to cancel. Finally, save early and often with Ctrl+S so you don't lose work as you proceed. Now you construct the content and formulas. Type a cell value or a leading equals to begin a formula. Use Tab to accept function suggestions and F4 to cycle absolute versus relative references. To fill multiple cells, select the range and press Ctrl+Enter to write the same value, or use Ctrl+D/Ctrl+R to fill down/right. For quick copy and paste, use Ctrl+C, navigate with arrows, then Ctrl+V. Once done, check calculation with F9 if needed, and move on to formatting shortcuts. Finish by applying final formatting and checks. Press Ctrl+1 to open format cells and set number formats or alignment. Use Ctrl+B for bold. Review data with Ctrl+F and Ctrl+H to find or replace entries, and insert line breaks inside a cell with Alt+Enter. If something breaks, immediately press Ctrl+Z to undo. Then use F2 to inspect formula text for missing parentheses or wrong references. Once fixed, save with Ctrl+S. If errors persist, check for #ref or circular references in formulas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.